Imagine astronomers staring at their screens in disbelief as a silent object drifts out from behind the moon, an object that looks nothing like a rock, but everything like a machine. At first, no one believes it. A million-year-old artificial satellite? Impossible. Right? But the data doesn't lie. Perfect symmetry, metallic reflections, geometry too clean to be natural, and within hours, every space agency on Earth locks onto it, terrified and mesmerized at the same time. Because if this ancient satellite is real, then humanity is not the first technological species to leave a mark in our skies. Scientists quickly trace its orbit, stable, circular, and so precise it almost looks engineered. A natural object wouldn't maintain a perfect trajectory for 1,000,000 years. This thing was placed there with intention. The structure appears small, maybe the size of a car, but the surface alloy reflects wavelengths no known material should. Archaeologists get involved, because now this isn't just astronomy. This is history, cosmic history. If the satellite truly predates humanity by 1,000,000 years, it rewrites everything we thought we knew about intelligence in the universe. Could it have belonged to an unknown ancient civilization? Or maybe visitors from far beyond the stars? The world is torn between excitement and fear as a mission is prepared to intercept the object. The first probe reaches it, sending back images that instantly go viral. Smooth metallic panels etched with patterns that look like both mathematics and art. Engineers detect microfractures and signs of extreme age, but the core structure is so advanced it might as well be magic. Tiny thrusters, non-functional, now hint that the satellite wasn't just drifting. It once navigated, and then comes the discovery that shakes every scientist awake. Inside the satellite is a sealed chamber, still intact. For a moment, the world holds its breath. What could a million-year-old machine still be protecting? When the chamber is finally accessed, instruments pick up faint traces of encoded data, trapped in crystal-like storage nodes. This is where everything changes, because the data, even in fragments, is unmistakably structured too deliberate to be random. Governments argue over who should control it. Superpowers accuse each other of hiding discoveries. Conspiracy theories explode overnight. Meanwhile, the decoded pieces hint at something impossible, a star map showing regions of the galaxy humanity has never explored. Some scientists believe it might be a navigation log. Others think it's a message. And then the most chilling clue appears, coordinates pointing not to another star, but to Earth itself. Suddenly, the satellite no longer feels like a relic. It feels like surveillance. If an advanced civilization placed this machine in orbit around our planet 1,000,000 years ago, what were they watching for? The idea spreads. Maybe Earth was monitored long before humans evolved. Maybe the satellite wasn't abandoned. Maybe it simply fulfilled its purpose. And during a deep scan of the core, researchers discover a system that once transmitted signals outward far into space. Here comes your shocking moment. The system attempted to send a burst transmission only 700 years ago, long after humans appeared. That means someone or something was still listening. The twist emerges when a new analysis reveals that the satellite shows no signs of hostility. In fact, its design suggests observation, not control. 1,000,000 years ago, Earth may have been a scientific curiosity, a biological experiment watched from afar. The satellite may have simply documented planetary changes, evolution, climate cycles, and life development. And the final transmission, that might have been a closing report, sent to a civilization that may no longer even exist. Humanity suddenly realizes that we might not be the center of anyone's story. We might just be one chapter in a much older cosmic narrative. The discovery leaves us humbled, united, and more curious than ever about what else might be hiding in the darkness beyond. If this mystery captured your imagination, let's keep exploring the universe together. Hit the like button so this story reaches more curious minds like you. And subscribe for more deep space documentaries that push your mind beyond the stars.